Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. My name is Frank, and today we have a comic book unboxing for you. Now I am a little worried about this one because we spent $688 on it, and it came like this. Yeah, that's a CGC comic. So we're kind of hopeful on that one that nothing happened to it, and that person certainly has a pretty bad review coming to them on eBay. Nice shipping, dude. But my name is Frank, and I do a little bit of everything with comic books, and I like recording just my hauls that I get and anything that I buy online. So stay tuned, and we'll see what I'm buying in this one, guys. And if you haven't been here before and you did not know, I am actually doing a free giveaway. That is right, free. I am giving away this Spider-Man #1 signed by the Todd McFarlane. Now, there's no COA with this, but it is a free giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe, and at 100 subscribers, I'm going to make a video and tell you guys what you can do. You will literally, all you'll have to do is comment down below with whatever I tell you to comment, and you will be entered for free, and I will ship it out for free for the winner. So, yeah, let's get right into this one, guys. All right, so for that little package, we got 2 comics in there. First up, we got Captain Marvel #29, which is the first appearance of Sui San, which is the mother of Eros and Thanos. Now, this is a comic I am specking on hard right now. No, not hard, but let's be honest. If Eros and Thanos are brothers, then they have to have parents. They just can't not have parents and be brothers. So I am really specking that we're going to see their mother in any incarnation in some kind of movie in the future to try to explain how these 2 people who look completely different are brothers. And I think they're going to do that by introducing their parents. So this is one that not a lot of people I think are specking on right now. I haven't seen anything yet, but they have to have a mother. So this is a great comic to be picking up right now. They really are not that expensive, and they don't come up very often right now. So I don't know how many people really have, but this is definitely a comic that I would be speculating on if I were you. Okay, and next up, I seem to really be liking my super low-grade X-Men comics. Now, this is X-Men #15, the first appearance of Master Mold, who is a Sentinel. I think X-Men comics are just great right now, especially like the lower number keys. They can be pretty hard to find, but this one has a completely split cover and is completely detached. But for the price that I paid for these 2, I'm pretty happy with them. And I think that there's definitely room for both of them to grow if we're going to see any of those characters, especially if Sentinels come. X-Men are coming. Doctor Strange 2, baby. Oh, man. All right, and then this one. Now, this was like, I think I spent $90-something on this one, and this person packed 100 times better than the person that sent out the $688 comic. That just seems ridiculous to me. Okay, and in that one, we had 1 single comic, and it did arrive safely. Yeah, you'll notice we got it again. We got Captain Marvel #29 in an 8.5 off-white to white pages. Again, this was not an expensive comic, and I think I would be buying it right now if I were people. And I got it for kind of a deal, too. Like, I offered the guy a little bit less than what he was asking for it. So I feel like I got a deal on top of it. So if things don't pan out my way, I at least don't have a lot invested in it. It's great. This is, again, a great comic that I would be picking up right now, obviously, because I am. I would also like to take a second to tell you that anything that I tell you guys to pick up, really, that's just my opinion. This is just what I think is going to happen. I don't know if it's going to happen. I can't give you financial advice. So please take it with a grain of salt and spend your money on things that you want that'll make you happy. Not because somebody else on the internet told you. All right, next up we got this one right here. Now, this one was actually a trade, and oh my goodness, I have too many issues with this right now. No, but I think this is a great comic to have. This is X-Men #129. Yes, I got another one. This one's an 8.0, so it's a little bit of an upgrade to my 7.5, if you can see it back there. But that one's a newsstand, and this one's a direct edition. So, yeah, so this one I actually traded. So one of my comic hauls, the one that was in the tub, I actually traded a bunch of, there was like, I don't even remember, 5 X-Men comics, including 120 and 121. They were all Raw. I traded 5 of them for this. Of course I'm going to make that deal. Now, I am kind of a little upset that I got rid of 120 and 121 because Alpha Flight could be coming. But if I'm going to invest in that one, I think I'm going to buy a CGC graded one. But yeah, this is another comic that I think is just a great comic, and I only see this one continuing up. Over the past few years, this comic has just consistently just gone up. It's just a great stock to be in. And I think we're going to see, of course, again, I'm sorry, this is the first appearance of Emma Frost and Kitty Pryde, if you didn't know that. But these are great characters, and again, I'm sorry to keep saying it, but X-Men are coming. And we're going to see them pretty soon. Now, who we're going to see, that's a big question mark. But I have a feeling like this is a good comic to be into right now. So I am definitely happy having 3 copies, 2 graded and 1 raw. And the raw one, I might get that one graded, but we'll see. But again, comic I'd be picking up. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's get to this one. I'm really nervous opening this. Don't do this, people. And here it is. Let me take a look first. It's not ruined. Thank goodness. And now, without further ado, the comic that I spent $688 on after tax. After tax. It was like $621 that I won it for, and then after tax, the tax came to, an extra. Tax is ridiculous on eBay right now. That's why everyone's calling it Feebay. Anyways, we have Amazing Spider-Man number 20 in a 3.0 complete. And this, of course, is the first appearance of Scorpion, an awesome character who I am really specking on this comic right now. So I waited a little while to find one that I wanted to put my money into. And finally, this one just kind of went for the right price, and I won the auction, and I did not realize how much fees I would pay for Feebay. But this is a great comic to be into, in my opinion. Now, in the Morbius trailer, we, of course, saw Michael Keaton in prison, and who else is in prison with him but Scorpion. And I just am really hoping that we're going to at least see Scorpion for a little bit in it, because the Scorpion is a character that we really haven't seen yet in movies, and I think he could be awesome. His costume could be so sweet. But we already have the character that is Scorpion. We've seen his Scorpion tattoo, but we have yet to see him in costume, which this is his first costume appearance. Now, again, this one is not cheap. This early Amazing Spider-Man are getting really expensive, especially the first appearance ones. Holy smokes. But this is a great comic to just be into. Any early Amazing Spider-Man and any keys of Amazing Spider-Man have done nothing but climb and climb and climb. Except if you're Amazing Spider-Man 361. Boom! Oh, man, that would be a hard one to be invested in, and then just to see the prices. But that's okay. Don't sell for a loss, everybody. If you sell for a loss and you've guaranteed that you lost, I always hold on to my comics until I can make money onto them. I'm okay with doing that, because if you can't afford to invest in it and hold on to it, don't be investing in it. Do not put yourself in a pinch investing in comic books to try to catch the market right. It's very risky. It's like investing in the stock markets. But yeah, anyways, this is just a great comic. It's a really expensive one. That's for sure. And someone has a bad review coming. I'm sorry, but you deserve it. That was terrible shipping. Do not ever ship a comic without any bubble wrap or anything, especially a CGC graded comic. Are you kidding me? I spent $621 of my hard-earned money on your comic book, and that's how you're going to pack it? Really? Whew. Anyway, sorry, everybody. Remember, don't forget, I have that giveaway at 100 subscribers. Thank you, everybody, so much for clicking on the channel and subscribing. I've gained definitely a few subscribers the past couple of weeks, and I really, really, really do appreciate all of you. And, just for appreciation, maybe I will do some kind of giveaway a little bit earlier than this one. This is a big giveaway, though, people. Now, I will have another video coming out here shortly that I'm going to be working on. And again, I just appreciate all of you. Thank you for watching now. Catch you in the next one. Peace.